Hello to everyone, welcome back to my channel. Well, finally I have some news about the Millennium Falcon custom board, because we have now the version number 2. So now don't waste time and let's go to see the changes and all the new stuff. Okay, this is the new custom board, version number 2, and as you can see it is pretty much the same of the previous one, but in this case we have some extra component. We have here these two new LEDs for the radar test. We have these two new LEDs for the ramp test. We have this connector for the NeoPixel LEDs strip. We have removed here the jumper for the internal and external current. We have here these two LEDs for the 3 and 5 volts current. We have removed the 7805 component and we have only the DC-DC converter, and we have also removed one speaker connector because our system it is mono. So one connector it is enough. But now we can see how this new board works with some test. Okay, so we will use only the external keyboard for this test. So I turn on the system. We have, of course, the first sound.
I'm Solo. I'm Captain of the Millennium Falcon.
And we can see that we have 3 pages of effects. Page number 1, where you can use channels 1 to 9. We have the page number 2, where you can use these 6 channels, power channels 1 to 6. And in the page number 3, you have ramp down, ramp up radar, 4 relays channels, and the NeoPixel effect. So, if, for example, I will press the button number 8, as you can see here, number 8 is the NeoPixel, we have the NeoPixel effect. So now we have this connector here dedicated to the NeoPixel for the engine LED strip. Very cool. Okay, now if I press the number 1, that as you can see it is ramp down, we can see the new LED working. We have these green LED on, and it will turn off when the ramp it is down. If I press ramp up with the number 2, we can see the red LED on, and it will turn off when the ramp it is up. In this way you can test the ramp up and down also without the ramp plugged here. Now we can see the radar test, that it is the number 3. So if you will plug here one engine for the radar, you will have this effect. I can plug here a small engine and if I press the number 3, we can see, as you can see, when the engine is running, we have also the LEDs working in the same way. So this will help in your tests. So, of course, if you don't have the previous version of this board, you would like to see something more. And for example, in the page number 2, we have the effect number 6, that is the engine failure. So if I press number 6, we have this very cool effect. Of course, you have to plug LEDs here, 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 and here in your Falcon. Okay, so in the first page we have, of course, the first 9 channels here. So if I press number 1, I will turn on channel number 1, 2, 3, 4. It is with a different sound. Number 5, number 6, number 7. This is the cockpit channel. Then we have the channel number 8, that it is for the Canon. You can plug one LED here to the Canon, and we have also the channel number 9. Okay, in the page number 2 we have these 6 channels here, and in the first channel we have the LEDs strip. If you use the DeAgostini LEDs strip. So we have the same sound effect of the NeoPixel. So you can choose, if you want a NeoPixel, you can plug it here. And if you use the original DeAgostini LEDs strip, you can plug it here in the power channel number 1. So you have the same sound effect. The other 5 channels are on off. So, for example, this is the number 2, number 3, etc. Number 6, it is the engine failure. So, okay, this was a very short demo about this second version of our custom board. And please keep on following the channel, because in the next few days I will show you also the second version of the transceiver. So please give me a thumbs up if you like these videos, and remember to subscribe. We will see you soon in the next few days. Cheers!